The best chocolate keto mug cake requires one key tool, a tool he does not have. That is, a microwave. So he borrows one. Next he needs a classic mug. He will be using the OG, a classic whitish porcelain mug that's dishwasher and microwave safe. And although it is a mug cake, you can also use a ramekin. Just ensure you use a medium-sized one. Banana for scale. He begins by adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and since his butter is cold, we need to melt it. So into the weight box it goes for about 30 seconds. Once the box signals the auditory signal of completion, he removes the butter and moves back to his bowl. To the mug, he adds 1 large egg, a pinch of salt, and, using a whisk, he attempts to beat it. To no avail. You can also use a fork or the world's tiniest and cutest whisk. Once the egg and butter are well mixed, he adds 3 tablespoons of almond flour and 2.5 tablespoons of erythitrol. Any more, and the cake is gritty like a beach sandwich. He adds cocoa powder, baking powder, vanilla extract, and instant coffee, which is optional, but when tested in a focus group, 3 individuals approved. The 4th was a chicken. He mixes well, and using sugar-free chocolate chips, you can separate a tablespoon's worth of the best morsels from the group, or simply eyeball it straight into the mug, like an animal. Once the mixture is dark and thick like mud, it's time to return to the magical box of cooking. He places his mug in and sets a timer for 60 seconds. This is important. Between 50 and 70 seconds is known as the danger zone. Too little time and it will be undercooked. Too long and the cake turns into a sponge. One must simply watch it at learning microwave. Once signaled, he removes it and checks. It's soft, moist, and cooked. However, the best part is, well, you can actually meal prep this for those late night cravings. Simply add enough dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, and, if you spill them, clean, because ants. Although this cake can be made in the oven, the microwave yields a faster and superior version. Just be forewarned.
Hot. It's guava lava hot.
Can the man wear a robe and eat chocolate cake without being judged?
If you believe low-carb food should be delicious and love chocolate cake, like, subscribe, and watch some of these other videos. Until next time, eat well.